Hey guys, it's me, Desi, professional real estate investor. And today I'm going to be talking a little bit about investing outside of your own backyard. You know, most real estate investors are taught to invest locally. As a matter of fact, I've had so many people tell me I like to buy things that I can physically go and touch. I can go and see it. And you know what? For 35 years, I was the same way. But in the last 5 years or so, I've learned that you don't really want to necessarily restrict yourself just to your own backyard, unless, of course, your own backyard is where the best deals can be found. I found that the most intelligent way to invest is to invest where the best investments can be found. It's almost kind of like common sense to say that, but you know what? Sometimes the best investments aren't in my backyard. And if they aren't, I need to be able to pull the trigger on those deals wherever they are. And so with that in mind, I started to develop a system for investing in areas where I didn't live, and for investing in assets and houses and mortgages that on properties that I've never seen. And you know, it's not as hard as you might think. You don't have to really go into a neighborhood to get a feel for it, but you do have to have somebody with boots on the ground in that neighborhood, and that'll help you get a good feel for it. And so I've got systems in place to help me really understand exactly what it is that I'm buying. The good news is that with today's technology, it's a lot easier than it ever was to accomplish things like that. And so what I want to encourage you to do is to consider investing outside of your own backyard. Accept the reality that sometimes the best deals may be in another state. All you've really got to do is make sure that you protect yourself. And if you'd like information on how I protect myself, I'll be happy to share with you some of the things that I've learned and some of the systems that I put into place to make sure that my money is safe when I deploy it across state lines. Again, this is Desi. Go where the money is, guys, and invest brilliantly.